Hello there, welcome to Synconics. So in this video we will see that how we can activate the developer mode in Odoo. So first of all we will go to settings and we'll show you that is we are using Odoo version 13 enterprise editions. Okay, we'll save these changes. So basically in Odoo, whatever general configurations have done and displayed without enabling the developer mode. So for certain kinds of settings and configurations related to the databases and different fields and views, also some technical settings related to the emails, outgoing servers, and regarding to different menus, that is sales, purchase, and or any kind of menus, certain functionalities will be hidden and only made accessible for the developers. So it can be achieved by enabling the developer mode. So there are certain ways here to enable the developer mode. So first way is that by going to settings, that is we are already at settings. So when you will go through the downside, you can see the option that is activate the developer mode, right? So by clicking on that, you will be able to active the developer mode. So like this you can be able to see the developer mode is active. So by going there, you will be able to see some more features that is made enabled for the developers. So like this you can see that some technical features are already made enabled, right? Like this. By going to the users and companies, there are also some features made available like this. So see, the technical settings are already enabled, so it can be only achieved by enabling the developer mode. Also when you will go to some sales and CRM, sales, purchase, or any kind of applications through this configurations, some settings are only made enabled for the developers. So it can be achieved by enabling the developer mode. Next way to enable the developer mode is so I will again deactivate this developer mode. You can see that deactivate the developer mode and the developer mode is deactivated. So now again there are certain kinds of third-party applications and different web browsers related extensions have already made to activate the developer mode. So as you can see that this is the debug kind of the extensions that is made for the Chrome browser. Also for the Firefox and Firefox and different browsers, there are certain extensions are already made. You have to just go their extensions for that particular browsers and have to search that debug, Odoo debug, like that. So like this you can see that. So by simple clicking on that, the developer mode will be enabled, as you can see this, right? And by double clicking them, that related developer mode will be enabled with certain kinds of assets. So there are certain assets and certain packages are made accessible by the developers by enabling that developer mode with assets. So as you can see that the developer mode is enabled with assets. So we will again deactivate them. Now the third way is to activate the developer mode is, you can see the query string over here. So by this query string I can define after the web, that is $debug is equal to 1. Okay, that means debug is equal to true. So like this you can activate this developer mode, and you can deactivate again by defining debug is equal to 0. So as you can see that I have already deactivated this developer mode. So like this you can activate and deactivate the developer mode by certain kinds of techniques over here. Thank you for watching.